Hi KUSD 4th grade, it's Mrs. Kelly. Today we're going to determine the meaning of general and academic and domain-specific words. In other words, we're going to go ahead and look at words that you come across in the text that you don't understand right away and look around the word for context clues so we can determine the meaning. So you've been studying erosion, and this week you came across one word called magma. And I know in the text right before the word magma, it said hot molten rock. The next word was called, and then magma. So I know that magma is melted rock because the word called is right before it. Another word you came across was accumulate. Now when you accumulate pieces, layering, or bedding, all of these words were around it in a paragraph known for sedimentary rock or sediments. So accumulate means it's building up pieces, one on top of the other. Here's another word, sediment. The author's nice enough, right after the word sediment, writes the word or tiny pieces of rock. So tiny pieces of rock is the meaning of sediment. Let's try one. These cause erosion, which is the breaking down of rocks, and deposition. When I came across this word, I didn't really know what it meant, but the author, once again, is nice enough to say, which is the building up of rocks. So I know that deposition is the building up of rocks. Some other words you might have come across are compression, pressure, processes, compaction, and tectonic plates. I encourage you when you're reading about erosion in your science texts to look around the words you don't really fully understand and try to determine the meaning. And in the meantime, while you're doing that, I'm going to use the powers of using context clues to read this book and decipher this book and understand this one. So as I'm learning KUSD, you're learning along with me.